Hey there, how you doing? Today we are covering day number 8 of Operation Survey Smash. Stay tuned. What is going on, guys? My name is Jacob Billett. I am the CEO of Billett Enterprises, and today is day number 8 of Operation Survey Smash. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made $8 just for being Snoopy with one of these partner offers through Swagbucks. Now, if you haven't been following Operation Survey Smash, excuse me one second. If you haven't been following Operation Survey Smash, it is an experiment that I'm doing to show how anybody can make $500 or more per month, only putting in a couple hours a day using some of these sites. Now, all of these sites I have reviewed, I have vetted, I have gotten payouts from. I've made sure all of these are legit because I will not promote something that is not legit. I will not promote something that I will not do, because there's a lot of scams out there. A lot of good people lose money because of, too good to be true, make $500 a day claims and crap like that. This is not get rich quick, right? You're not going to make a ton of money, but you can monetize things that you're already doing. And that is the sole purpose of this experiment. If you watch TV, you can now make money watching TV. Do you go grocery shopping? You can make money going grocery shopping. Do you order food and get it delivered at home? You can make money doing that because these are things you're already doing. Are you sharing your opinion and taking polls on Facebook? Well, now you can do surveys and make money doing that. So you're monetizing things that you already do. That is the key of creating wealth, is you are making money doing everything. And then if you take advantage of the affiliate and the referral programs with these sites, now you're making money doing absolutely nothing. You are making a portion of other people's income from these sites just because you referred them over. And that's actually a video I've already previously covered. I can't talk right now. So there are a lot of different money-making opportunities. And again, it's not get rich quick, but an extra $500,000, $700,000 a month coming in using these sites and strategically monetizing what you already do. That can be something that could really help a lot of people out. So that's why I'm doing this. So again, you're here because, $8 being nosy. I want to look up my ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend or ex-wife or whatever. I want to do a background check on a babysitter or whatever, right? So I actually just did it on myself to make sure it was accurate because, a lot of these things are just, I don't know, like kind of shady to me, right? So I'm going to show you what I did. I'm also going to link it down to a blog where I will show you step by step. Now, at the time of this recording, I don't believe the offer is available right now, but the offer will always come back. They reset offers every day. So that is something that you can definitely take a look at. So we got some stormy weather coming in. My sinuses are killing me right now. So anyways, we're going to go and take a look at that. So the site that I used was Swagbucks. Now this is something, now if you're a Swagbucks user, awesome. If you haven't signed up for Swagbucks, it's completely free and it allows you to monetize a lot of different things. But before we go over there, I want to show you this. This is my spreadsheet. Right now, you can see that the highlighted day is day number 8. Now, in real life, I am really behind on these videos. I'm a new father. I had to fire my nanny. We just moved. We run several organizations from home. So there's been a lot of chaos these past couple weeks. So my posting schedule for these videos is very off. So you're kind of getting a glimpse in the future as well on some of these programs, but we're just going to cover day number 8. So on every day, at the end of the day, I close out all my balances on these sites. I see what's paying out, what's not. and see where my averages are and everything, because I like data. I like looking at data, making sure I'm tracking correctly, making sure I'm trending where I need to go, making sure that all my averages are playing out how I want them to be, just to make sure this is completely legit. Now, I started this experiment with 13 different sites. I'm pretty much down to only using about 5 or 6 right now, and I'm maybe getting rid of another one because they haven't paid out how they were supposed to. So, and that's not one of the sites I'm going through today. It's just another site, and I don't want to speak bad about them until I give them adequate time to issue out payment. So, but that'll be another video. Right, so this highlighted field right here is day number 8. So to make an extra $500, which is the goal for this series, is I need to make about $17 a day. Right, that's why I need to average. So you can see right here my daily gains. You can see what I've been averaging every day. Now, this is what's actually been put into my account, right? There are also pending earnings that has not come into my account that you will see down here in the total, right? So other is bonuses at other companies or other projects or other platforms that's not reflecting onto one of these survey payout accounts. So that is put into the equation. But my total is what hasn't been paid out yet. So my daily total will be obviously the balances, the daily earnings and the balances on those accounts plus the pending charges, right? So as of right now, I'm well over $190 on day number 8, and my goal is at that time to hit $500 is $136. So I'm well ahead of the curve doing this. Now, my daily gain is technically only 20 cents this day. But again, don't let that fool you, because there are things I did that I made money. It just has not finalized pay yet. So that being said, let's take a look at what I did, right? So I really only did one thing this day. And now I am making money on referrals and affiliate and stuff like that, which is really nice as a passive income, but I really only did one thing. So my one thing here was through Swagbucks partner called Revenue Universe. I did a people search. So I searched myself, and I got paid. So one Swagbuck is a penny. So 800 Swagbucks is $8 US. So now this service cost me money. This service cost me 95 cents. So I profited $7 taking this, and I just searched myself. So what I did is, when you sign up for Swagbucks, there will be a link in the description below. When you sign up for Swagbucks, you are going to go to Discover. And when you go to Discover, there's a lot of different tabs. Now, when you sign up for Swagbucks, explore around a bit, right? Explore around. Get to know the site, right? Get to know the offers. Get to know the surveys. You can actually go through this playlist. You can go through I believe it's day number 2 or day number 1, where I kind of briefly touch on Swagbucks. I have not done a full-on in-depth review. That will be after Operation Survey Smash, when I have, a good length of history on it. And so I'm like intimately familiar with everything. So I just did a general broad overview of how to use the site. So definitely take a look at that. But Revenue Universe, so featured offers, these are all the partners, right? These are all the featured offers from companies and partners that are kind of doing the same thing that Swagbucks does, right? So if you click on right here, Revenue Universe, you click on this, you will see the offers from Revenue Universe. And I had it open another tab. I'm just closing that right now, right? So Revenue Universe, these are all of the offers. Now, they change offers pretty much every day on these sites. So if you go up here and you do not see this offer for, what is it, Intelius, I'll highlight it again. And again, I'll have it written down in the description as well. But it is, let's take a look here. The offer was Intelius People Search. So if you go through here and if you don't see it, wrong one. If you go down here, if you don't see it, it doesn't mean that it's gone forever. You can definitely come back and take a look, or you can explore other options. There's a lot of different stuff on here. Matter of fact, this Clio app right here, which is a personal assistant for your money, is a really, really cool thing. It's an AI-based budgeting, and a lot of people don't even like to budget anymore. You'll get, $1.65 just for downloading it and getting it going. So there's a lot of offers here. So again, if you don't see it, definitely check back and try to find it, or it could just not be populating on my end because I've already done it. But again, what I did is I went to the site. So we'll just go ahead and go to, the actual website and walk you through it. So, you can just see it in my history right here. Let me just actually go to right here. Right, so you go to the website, you're going to sign up. Once you sign up, you will put in your information that you want to sign up, and then right here you'll do a people search for 95 cents. Super easy. Do a people search for 95 cents. You do your checkout, do a PayPal, credit card, whatever, and they're going to pay you $8 to do it. So you're going to walk away with $7. Again, if you're looking at screening a nanny or a potential employee, or if you're dating somebody, you want to know their background, or whatever, or if you just want to see what your background is, that's available out there to anybody. Which everybody should know what's publicly available for about them. Spend 95 cents and look yourself up and see what they have on you, right? See if it's accurate, because this is what other people can get for less than $1 on you. You can justify this. And again, if you're just looking at like investment wise, you're spending 95 cents, you're getting, $8. I'll take that bet in Vegas every day, right? So again, you can figure, you can, devise a way, not why wouldn't you want to do it? It's too good to be true. It's a scam, not going to work, whatever. I've done it. I've been paid. I've showed you my payment. These are just one of the very many things that you can do on these sites to make money. And what they're trying to do is they're trying to sell you on the service or upsell you on the service to find out more. So basically they're just paying this in marketing, and hopefully they'll get people that will want to get the full on background check for $40, right? Or whatever. So again, this is what I did to make that $8. It took me, 8 minutes, not even that. No, it was probably 5 minutes, right? To put in my information, credit card information, boom, done, got paid, right? So again, if this is, $8 doesn't really change hardly anything, but if you do this and a couple other offers or a couple surveys, you make $17 in a day. You do like things like that every 30 days, you got an extra $500 in your pocket. So again, if you have any questions, I know this was kind of a half-assed day today on this because again, I'm so far behind. I'm trying to get these videos caught up. So this is just reflecting on one thing that I did this day. Definitely take a look at the other videos in the series so you can kind of catch up and get more aware on some of these sites and what some of these sites are doing and what you can do to take advantage of the programs. And I will see you guys all on the next episode. Thanks for bearing with me. Try this out or try out other offers or do some surveys. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you later. Take care.